Hello my friends, this is TechRover. In this video we are going to review this AirPods Pro. I bought it for $50 from a market, and you know this is not the original one, A quality. The original ones here like $300, and you can see the owner of the shop told me this is the same quality of the AirPods Pro. We go ahead to check out everything here on this video. Let me unbox this first of all, and we are going to connect this to our iPhone, and we go ahead to see, did I spend my money for a good stuff or a trash? Here you go. Let me open this box. Here you go. I open my box and I got my first guide peppers, and you can see even the root signed by Apple in California, similar to original one. And here you go, you can read about how you can connect your AirPods Pro to iPhone devices. I know how can I connect my AirPods to iPhone device. I don't need to read this. And here you go, this is the AirPods, which cost like $50. It looks great, man. I love it. So let's go ahead to check for the headphones. We got green lights, two lights similar, and there we got a writing, and this is the button. We can connect our AirPods to iPhone devices. So let's continue to opening the box, and here you go, we got the USB cable of the AirPods Pro, and this is the silicones we can use in different sizes, and it's also similar to original one, by the way. Let's go ahead to check for the AirPods now. First of all, I just want to show you all sides of the headphones. Here you can see we have the sensors, mics, and even we have the EMI or something like codes right there on the downside of the headphone. Oh, this is great. By the way, it's just going to connect our headphone to our iPhone device. How is it going to work? Here you can see it shows me the AirPods Pro like the original one, and it even asked me to press the back button, and let me do this, hold button, and that's it. It's now connecting to my iPhone. Wow, this is nice animation right there on my iPhone. I got, and it's just telling me the tutorial about how can I use the sensors of these headphones. Noise control, yep, here you go, and control center. This is crazy, man, that we have a tutorial like the original one on a fake AirPods Pro. By the way, we go skip this, and you can see here we got the percentage of the charge that we have here on our AirPods, and also the box. What we can do more here on the AirPod, we can rename it. Oh my god, that's nice. This is like the original one. We can rename the AirPods, and we have many setup that we can edit here on our iPhone, and this is cool. I see this is not trash. And let's check for the sensor. When I just keep the sensor is playing the video, and when I take it out like this, it's going to pause automatically. Oh my god, I love it, man. It was the best headphones I bought for $50. I mean, when I just wear it outside, everybody will think this is the original one, but I bought it for $50, a quality of AirPods Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.